This multi-purpose snack cart, it was exported to France, made of 304 stainless steel material, with frying, cooking, function, heating method, gas heating, with a fryer, a grilled oven, thermal insulation furnace, washing material tank, clear water tank, wastewater collection box, garbage recycling bucket, cup distributor, seasoning cup, transparent display rack, etc. Suitable for campus or street takeout use. Cosmo brand is owned for more than 20 years. Manufacturing mobile snack truck experience factory. Support exports to different countries that require manufacturing.